Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to share some of the number recognition and number counting activities for teaching numbers from 10 to 15 to 3 to 4 year kids. So let's get started. Today the very first activity I'm going to share is cut and glue activity. For arranging this activity, I drew specific numbers of different things on a plain piece of paper and then let my daughter glue those specific numbers of items on that particular number. For example, here I am showing that I made first 11 pictures of ice creams and then I cut them out. Then I simply wrote number 11 on a plain piece of paper and let my daughter glue all those 11 ice cream pictures on the number 11 to practice the number 11. Similarly, for practicing number 12, I made 12 dots and I allowed my daughter to glue those 12 dots on a number 12. While doing this activity, make sure to count all the pictures along with the kids so that they can practice the numbers over and over again. For practicing number 13 and 14, I simply let my daughter put some dot stickers on number 13 and 14. And for practicing number 15, I made 15 different pictures and I let my daughter glue those pictures on number 15. Here I did the things that she likes, that is ice cream, candies, cupcake, moon, flower, heart, strawberry and cheese. I drew these pictures to keep her interest into the activity. You can also go for the things that your kid likes. Next, in cut and glue activities, I made 6 cupcakes with different number of candies on it. And then while doing this activity, my daughter has to count those numbers of candies and select the numbers from the bottom and cut them out and glue that particular number on that cupcake. Since she is in just learning phase to count these numbers, I have observed that while doing this activity, I had to sit with her and do some of the countings, especially for the bigger numbers, that is 14 and 15, which is perfectly fine. Later on in future, I will arrange similar type of activities just to test and examine her knowledge and grasp on the numbers, but right now I'm just keeping it as a learning activity for her. And this is the finished worksheet. As all you can see here, while finishing this worksheet, she circled the black dots and this is how she kept the track of her counting. The next activity you can try for teaching numbers is making numbers out of the Play-Doh and letting kids decorate these Play-Doh numbers using different things. Here I have tried beads for decorating the numbers, but you can try any other things whichever is available to you. You can just do simple stamping also using marker cap. For teaching numbers from 10 to 15 in this lesson plan, you can also make these types of number tracing worksheet, writing the numbers from 1 to 15 and let child just trace those numbers one by one from 1 to 15, and this way also we can practice these numbers easily with the kids. While finishing this worksheet, just be with the kids. Even if they don't know how to write, you can write for them or you can show how to trace these numbers and count the numbers while finishing this worksheet, and this way also we can teach the numbers easily to kids. Along with the number tracing worksheet, you can also make this kind of number matching worksheet where you just have to write numbers in 2 columns, and while doing this worksheet you just have to ask your child to connect the matching number, and this way they can easily practice the numbers. In today's video I'm gonna cover these many activities. Thank you for your support and see you next time with the next video.